Bloody moles, moles, moles everywhere. I'm sick of the sight of moles, but I'm going to show you how to get rid of moles. Scissor traps, Talpex traps, doofus traps. We'll show you them all. You don't always have to use a dibber with its bulbous bell end and all the rest of it. If you've watched all of our other videos, you'll know what I'm on about. So here, we've literally got one molehill. I'm going to use my old trusty flat pack doofus trap. This is an inline tunnel trap. And basically how this works is the mole comes through this loop here, pushes on the treadle, bang. How to set them? I'm going to be quick because it's a bit nippy today. You push the treadle back, push the loop down over the top, clip it on, then you repeat on the other side. So basically with these you can actually catch two moles at once if you're really, really lucky. That'd be cool, wouldn't it, if we can do that? So those are the triggers. Mole pushes against them, bang, same from that direction. So we've got a molehill, we've got a dibber, we've got a marker stick. I think I can find this without it though. Let's have a look, find the softest part of the mound. And there it is. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Now you want to come in a bit closer to have a look at that, Rick? So we've got the run, it's going that way and going that way. We're going to retire you, girl. Do you want to be retired? I have to do all the work now. And then the secret with the doofus trap is make the hole just as big as you need it to be. No bigger, because then you've got to fill it in, and we don't want that. So no soil in there, no stones in there. Then we push that down so it sits in there, and the doofus trap, basically the tunnel trap, the tunnel mole trap, becomes the roof of the tunnel. And when the mole comes through there pushing the soil or looking for food, it'll hit the trigger thinking it's the root of a plant or something, and bang, no more mole. Very important now that we cover this over like so. Marker, put the marker stick in, because what we don't want to do, because these are under the ground unlike scissor traps. If you want to see a video about scissor traps, if you're watching on mobile, click this link here. If not, we've got playlists on loads of different mole traps, so click this playlist here, or look through our menu, our content. And also don't forget to have a like and subscribe. Now then, old friend Doofus. Let's have a look. Have we got it? As we can see, the trigger is up. Marker stick out. Let's have a look. And there it is. One mole. There is no more. So that is the joys of using the doofus trap, or the tunnel trap, or a barrel trap is another way of calling it. And as you can see, the mole pushes through. Oh, I'll show you how it works on here. It's already dead, so it's not going to hurt it second time round, is it? So the mole goes through, look, pushes onto there, or the soil pushes onto there, and then, oh, bang. And that's one dead mole, dead quick. Dead mole, dead quick. Back in the hole with him though. And that is doofus traps for doofuses.